Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stewart, Florida. Today I want to show you the Nihilo Concepts Map Switch. This Map Switch is designed for all two-stroke carbureted CDI bikes somewhere around 2015, 16 and up. The CDI on this carbureted two-stroke bikes has two pre-programmed ignition curves within its software. These ignition curves are also called maps, and that's what controls the character of the bike. You have two pre-programmed maps, and now you are able to switch from map 1 and map 2 with the flick of a button. And now let me walk you through the process of installation. It's very simple. The tools you're going to need for this job are very simple tools. 8mm socket and a pair of flush cutters. What you want to do, you want to remove the seat, remove the fuel tank, and you're going to look underneath the fuel tank, under the frame area. That's where you have your bundle of wires. You're going to find two connectors. That's where the switch is going to plug right into. Come on, I'll show you. Once you get to this area, on some bikes you have a small plastic cover. Once you remove the cover, you will expose all the wiring right here. Cut the little zip tie, and this is what the connector looks like. From the factory, it comes plugged in. That gives you maximum power. When you disconnect it, that changes the ignition curve and it changes the character of the bike. Always put a little bit of dielectric grease on connectors. This will save you a headache later. Use zip ties where you can use zip ties. If you look in here, I ran the wire under the rubber strap and I ran it through the OEM loop. Make sure you have plenty of slack when you turn the wheel from left to right. Nothing is pinching. And make sure that this area is nice and professionally clean. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to install your Nihilo Concepts Map Switch. They're readily available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.